These are the F-Series models 50F and 60F from All Access Equipment and CMC. In this video, we'll look at how they compare to other lifts and note a few unique qualities of each. Designed for rental and building maintenance, the F-Series 50F and 60F share the same body and features. The difference between them is the maximum height and reach. The 50F has a max working height of 50 feet with an unrestricted lateral reach of 28 feet 6 inches, while the 60F has an additional boom extension, giving it a max working height of 60 feet and a max lateral reach of up to 36 feet 6 inches. Built by CMC, the industry leader in tracked aerial lifts, the F-Series 50F and 60F are compact and simple to use. The 50F basket can hold a load up to 441 pounds, and the 60F can hold up to 507 pounds. Whether you're on a hill or going through a narrow doorway, the F-Series 50F and 60F set up anywhere. You can adjust the tracks for improved stability and set up on an uneven surface easily with automatic leveling. The F-Series 50F and 60F are the perfect low-maintenance, versatile solution for almost any job. Don't let your customers come up short. Work more efficiently and get a better return on investment with the CMC F-Series. Order your F-Series lifts today.